Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gems Credit Friends, I'm going to share with you a great blockchain website that can give you a huge amount of profit. It has launched their app and their token has been launched on their huge investment website. Exchange, decentralized exchange has been supporting this token. So here you can check their all details of funding about this network will be provided to here. I'll share with you how can you log in this account, how can you get your app onto your mobile. You can watch here, they are present on the Play Store. You can watch here the Google Play Store has been supported by this app, and you can check here their all investments plans will be provided to you about this network. You can check here the first crypto face recognition public chain in the earth. The most secure encrypted public chain in the earth is present in front of you. You can make your money successfully. Here you can check the all benefits of earnings has been provided to you about this network. You can earn a huge amount of profit on the daily basis. Their white paper will be present here. I will share with you how can you get your more instructions of their earning. You can check here their white paper has been opened in front of you. You can easily read their instructions on this blockchain technology. You can check here the project summary and all their instructions of this platform has been given here. The platform marks a major advancement in the fintech sector, providing a comprehensive blockchain solution. So you can easily transfer your funds. You can easily buy and sell your funds. You can watch here. Their app has been present here. They, if you like, want to earn profit, you can buy this token on their Web3 wallets. So you can watch here their all benefits of earnings has been provided to you. They are present on the MetaMask. You can easily add their token. You can check here that all face recognition portion is present here. The role and the important KCP tokens are present in front of you. KCP tokens play a multiple key role with their design and functionality reflection on their products. So here was given to you their all details of funding. You can watch here their development and all their roadmap is given in front of you. I'll share with you all the details of funding. Now we can check here all their beneficial portion will be given to here. You can easily buy their application, explore a KC application. You can check here their overview will be provided to you about this network. You can easily watch here the user registration, user create password, secure their account, localize their instructions, and you can check here the system does not rely on the TRC20 Tron network. So here you can check their all navigation bars will be provided to you. You can easily get their all instructions on this site. You can check here the news sections are present in front of you. You can watch here the reserve officially update the account announcements. You can easily check here the mine section will be given to you. You can easily mine their tokens to get your profit on the daily basis. Vision mechanism is present here. You can check here the reward and registration portion is given in front of you. So KCB token plannings are present in front of you. You can watch here the KCB token information overview is given to you here. The token roadmap is given in front of you. In initial token supply is present here. You can check here their contract address is present. You can easily copy this contract address and you can paste it into your MetaMask. I will show you the MetaMask instruction. Total supply is 10 billion. You can watch a smart contract assignment and utilization smart contracts to the maintain supply limits of this site. So you can watch here their all tokenomics and token distribution information has been given to here. I will share with you their community allocation 70%, development team 6.5%, investors can get 10%, and you can watch here the KSP Foundation reserve 13.5%. So you can easily earn great profit by their token issuance, and you can check here all clearance will be given to here. Their all regulation compliance will be provided to you. You can easily use their trading platform like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, OKX, and you can easily watch here all their information has been given to here. You can also use Bitget Wallet, Token Pocket. I will share with you the MetaMask information. You can watch here the add token, import token button will be given here. You need to add the address that I have pasted. Contract address was pasted here. You can easily check here. The next button will be pressed here. You can check the token has been easily added. So here you can check the import token button has been given to here. You can check the token has been successfully imported here. You can easily buy this token on this site and you can earn huge amount of profit on that daily basis. So friends, here was given to you their details of earning. Now you can check here more instructions of their products. I will share with you how can you earn profit. You can watch here the KC Pace vision and missions are present here, exploring the strategy, goals, and Overchaining ambitions, trading, and KYC information will be given to here. Their all benefits of earnings will be provided to you here. Their all missions and view more instruction about their products. You can check the vision and missions are present here. You can watch here and unrealized and advanced technologies were present here. These detailed missions will be given here. Future plans and all their productivity information has been given in front of you. So you can easily earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis by joining this network. Get work done together. So easily you can get your team diverse industrial experts, investors can get you a huge profit. You can watch it. All systems are go find out their all paths of earning. You can easily find their ultimate design tools, facial recognition information will be given to here that can make more secure your funds. You can watch here their all possibilities of earnings will be given to here, reaching the next billionaire users. And you can watch here. I have shared with you. You can how can you import your tokens. Okay, here you can check. I have shared with you the token importation portion. You can easily watch here. Your all benefits of earnings will be given to here. You can watch here. Just subscribe the new updates. You can get any information about their products. You can get into your email account. You can check here. Their all social platforms will be present in front of you. I have shared with you all that details of earning vision and missions has been provided in front of you. You can check here. I have shared with you these details. Roadmap is given in front of you here. All their productivity information were present here. Concept of KCPs and comprehensive information on all their procedural learning about their networks has been provided to your public. Testing has been started, and you can check here. They're all products of worlds open world construction and centering around the continent's requirements are present in front of you. You can easily make your money successfully on this site, and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So now I will show you how can you download their app. That is very important thing. You need to click on the this button and app store. It will be shown in front of you very soon. You need to click on this so that you can easily buy this token on your mobile. I will share with you my mobile screen in front of you here. So friends, here you can check the KCPage app has been given in front of you. You can easily download this app on your Play Store, and you can check here. I have already downloaded this app successfully. You can check. You can get 200 coins into your account when you make your money successfully by invite adding my invitation code. You will get this bonus, and you can check here your all chain and website information will be given to you here about this network. You can check here your all binding information will be given here. You can easily bind your wallet, and you can check here your all instructions of earnings has been provided to you here. So friends, here you can check their invitation bonus information has been given to here. You can easily earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So friends, here you can check your all decentralized information has been given to here. All the technology and breakthrough in encrypted face recognition information has been given to you about this site. You can easily watch here. All their invitation code will be given to here. Your invitation code will be present, and you can share it with your friends to get huge amount of profit. And you can check here your all beneficial portion will be given to here. You can watch here your bindings will be shown here. Your check-ins will be present, and you can easily earn huge profit. You can check here the checking information will be given here. You can get daily one high-speed token into your wallet. So it is a great site that can give you a huge amount of profit. You can earn daily based on the daily basis. Computing powers are present here. Invitation rewards and benefits will be shown in front of you. So I will share with you how I have logged in this site. So if you forget your chain, you need to click on it. You can watch here. Your password will be entered here, and your secured chain will be successfully copied into your account. So all your vision and updates will be provided to you about this site, and you can easily earn a huge amount of profit. You have to save your own chain ID. That is very important thing. If you forget this, you can lose your assets. You can easily earn profit by this site. You have not need to share this chain code. You can watch here. I will share with you how I have. So here you can check. I have added my password. Now you can check here. I have shared with you my invitation chain code, and you can check here that is an important chain ID property that will not be shared with you any one of your products. And you can watch here, it will be valid for 30 minutes. So you can easily get your benefits into your account. You can check here your all beneficial portion will be given to here. So friends, if you want to earn more money, I will share with you their social platforms here. So here you can check their KC page information has been given to you on their social platform. You can check here their community announcements will be given in front of you here about this site. You can check here the safeguard, the security of your assets is present in front of you. You can easily get your all benefits into your account by this network. So if you want to earn profit, you have to join this network. You have no need to delete your account. You can check here your all assets and benefits will be given to here. You need to click on the on chain button. You can check here the on chain information will be given here. You need to watch here, import your chain here. You can easily get your bonus here. You can check your password will be entered and you can click on the login. Now you can easily log in to your account. So I have already shared with you how can you log into your account, and you can easily get your benefits into your products. So here will be given to you all their details of earning. All their productivity information has been given to you here about this site, and you can check here your all beneficial portion has been given here. For creating your account, you need to watch here the on chain, create your on chain id. You need to click on it. You need to copy this save code. So you need to enter your passwords and add the invitation code and click on the create id. So you can check here all your benefits will be given here. Chain id will be entered and you need to watch here all your invitation codes will be given to you, and you can watch here your all chain codes will be given here. So it was a great project that can provide you huge amount of profit and you can easily earn huge profit. So if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Also you can join the site for earning.